Hello, my food lovers. Welcome to my creative cooking for healthy living. I'm Chef Samira. Today we will be working on a lemon lime tuna tartar, which we will be serving on a bed of mixed greens and a very easy balsamic vinaigrette, which I will show you the recipe later. What we need for this recipe is about a pound of sushi grade tuna, a couple of lemons, one lime, chopped basil, fresh basil, Dijon mustard. I like the Amora, which you can order online. And then we're gonna use also any herb infused olive oil will do, but if you don't have it, never mind, just the regular extra virgin olive oil. The first thing we do is we're gonna cut the tuna steaks into cubes, as such, like that, and squeeze the juice of one lemon over it, mix it well, and then we're gonna be putting it in the fridge for about half an hour. So it's cubes as such, like this, as you see, and then the juice of one lemon. Toss it very well with the juice of that one lemon, and you can see it's starting to change color slightly because the acidity of the lemon will cook it a little bit. And then what you do is you take it and put it in the fridge. Okay, while we're waiting for our tuna, I'm gonna make that simple balsamic vinaigrette. You need the Dijon mustard, a little salt, pepper also if you want. If you have herb de Provence, that's wonderful. If not, Italian seasoning will do. Balsamic vinegar, and we need extra virgin olive oil. Now, I have a little bit of the chopped basil that I like to add. You don't have to add basil, it's optional. So I have this jar, and the ratio of balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil is 1 to 2. 1 balsamic vinegar, 2 olive oil. And then for the 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard. So I'm just gonna double it. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and then for olive oil, we're gonna use 2 of the Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons, not tablespoons, half a teaspoon of salt, that's about half a teaspoon of salt, and then about a tablespoon of herb de Provence. This is about 1 tablespoon here. Put it in there, dump everything in there. A little bit of basil, just, you know, like this. Put it there, and then shake, shake, shake it. You can dance too. Shake, shake, shake it. There it is. Your nice vinaigrette. Pretty thick and ready to use. Now the tuna has been in the fridge for 30 minutes, so we're gonna take it out of the fridge, put it in a strainer, and try to get all that juice out of it. So I'm getting all that juice out. It's like as if I'm cleansing my tuna or washing it with the lemon juice and cooking it a little bit. So I'm just gonna squeeze it. See all that? I don't want. Okay, now we have the tuna. I got rid of that juice, so I'm gonna add the lemon juice, lime juice. That's the juice of 1 lemon and the juice of 1 lime. And I thought, you know what, before I took the juice out of the lime, I took the zest of the lime. I thought it'll be nice addition. You don't have to, but I thought, you know, why waste it? And then I'm gonna put the olive oil. This is the herb infused. It's Tuscan herb infused olive oil. You can have any other, as I said earlier, any other herb infused oil, or just extra virgin olive oil. Another one, because I have 1 pound, so I need 2. And then I need the mustard, 1 teaspoon actually, not much. We need the basil. This is a couple of bunches, so 1 bunch is enough, so just a handful would do. Add salt and pepper to taste. So I'm gonna start with about maybe a teaspoon and see how it tastes once I mix it all together. I'm gonna taste it for salt. Yum, can't wait to eat it. Today I'm just going to put some of the organic spring mix. I'm gonna toss it with the salad dressing, the balsamic salad dressing we made earlier, and then toss it, put it on the middle of the plate, and then put about half a cup or whatever, a generous half a cup like this on top. There. Just wanted to show you that you could present it the way it is, like this. That's fine, not a problem. Or you can put like a little lemon with a little leaf of the basil, like that. So the lemon, you cut it very, very thin, like that. And take half. And then you do it like this and put it there. And take that leaf and put it there. We're ready to eat it. Bon appetit. You can have a little baguette, nice baguette, and a glass of Chablis. Would be good.